At the very end of Thomas's branch line lies the Farquhar Quarry, one of the oldest quarries on the island of Sodor. Mavis is the diesel engine who works there, shunting troublesome trucks of heavy stone. It's not an easy job, but Mavis knows how to keep the troublesome trucks in line. One day, there was a big order of stone to be taken from the quarry to Brenham Docks. Thomas and Diesel had been sent to collect it, but they couldn't agree which of them would be the back engine. Thomas set to work taking empty cars to be filled with stone, and shunting full cars into line. But the trucks were very troublesome. They didn't like to be pushed, and they didn't like to be pulled. Thomas began to get a little impatient. He was ready for Mavis and Diesel to come back. Mavis and Diesel had delivered the freight cars to the shunting yard. Now Mavis was ready to get back to the quarry. Thomas was still waiting and was getting very impatient. The troublesome trucks thought that was a great idea. The trucks were heavy and hard to pull without a back engine, but once they were rolling, they went very well. Until they reached the first hill. Without a back engine to push from behind, it was very hard to pull the heavy cars up the hill. Without a back engine to hold back from behind, it was very hard to slow down, and Thomas's brake van wasn't strong enough to stop the heavy cars. Luckily, a signalman switched him onto a siding. Mavis and Diesel helped to get Thomas and the troublesome trucks back on the line. Sir Topham Hatt sent Mavis back to the quarry to do what she does best. But he also realized that now and then it was nice for her to take cars down to the docks, and that makes Mavis a very happy engine indeed.